We will be doing the ball rolling exercise to help stimulate connections in the brain and strengthen spinal stabilizing muscles. The child will lie face down over the therapy ball. A seated parent will rest the child's ankles on their knees and stabilize the child by placing their hands on the child's thighs. For babies and toddlers, the parents will simply have to stabilize the hips and/or back. The parents will then roll the child forward and backward over the ball slowly. Rolling towards the right and left sides can also be integrated with the forward and backward movement. Depending on a child's age, they can be given a different task to do during the exercise. If another adult is present, they can stand in front of the child and have the child reach out across their body to touch the adult's hand on the opposite side. The same movement can be done and include handing a ball or toy back and forth to each other. If the child is into doing flashcards for school, they can be given simple flashcards in front of them to do during the exercise. This exercise should be repeated as many times as recommended. It is important that all of these movements are done in a slow and controlled manner, and the appropriate size therapy ball is used for the size of the child.